Okay, I've basically installed Unity, and I'm going to launch it for the first time. And what you want to be aware of is if there is a pro version, you don't have to buy it. I wouldn't recommend it. It's expensive unless you want to get into that. It's around $1,500. But the first splash screen you're going to get is going to connect you to the license server, and you want to make sure that you select the free trial or the free version of it. There is a 30-day trial of the pro version. Don't do that. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to select here, activate the free version of Unity, and then go OK. So don't do the activate the free trial, 30-day free trial of Pro, just to avoid, you can do it later. And then once you do that, it'll take a little bit of time, but it'll eventually get on the internet and prompt you to register if you haven't registered. So you're going to need to register, and it's fairly simple straight ahead process. So and I'm not going to sit here and wait for this to do that. Well, there it is. So I actually have set up an email and password for this, so I will just put it in. And here's my password. I think this will work. I would subscribe to the monthly newsletter. It's up to you. So go OK. Waiting for the license system, and boom, it's all ready to go. It says start using Unity. So that's basically the simple way to install it. Just make sure that you select the free trial version, and it'll be good to go. So that's installing it. Pretty straightforward.